The minimum straight line distance from any part of the water surface to the service drop wires must be at least 22.5 feet, as per table 680.8. This is to reduce the risk of electrical shock or electrocution. Given the close proximity of the service drop wires to the deck and the low height of hot tubs, it may not be feasible to install the hot tub in its current location. Here are some potential solutions to consider. Firstly, explore alternative locations on the property that meet the minimum distance requirement. Secondly, consider burying the service drop wires underground, providing they are in a conduit and meet code requirements for depth and location. This would remove the overhead wires and allow for the installation of the hot tub on the deck. Thirdly, constructing a canopy or awning that extends over the tub but does not create a full enclosure. This would still meet the requirements of 680.8, but it may not provide sufficient protection from the elements. Fourthly, consider installing a pedestal on the deck to raise the height of the hot tub to meet the minimum distance requirement. The pedestal must be securely anchored and meet code specifications. Fifthly, consult with a licensed electrician to explore the possibility of running a conduit from the service drop to the hot tub, keeping the wires below the minimum distance requirement. This solution may be costly and require significant trenching or structural modifications. Ensure that the hot tub is properly grounded in accordance with Article 680. All metallic components of the hot tub, including the water, must be bonded together to prevent electrical hazards. Once the installation is complete, hire a licensed electrical inspector to verify compliance with all applicable codes and standards. It's important to discuss these options and come to a solution that meets both their needs and the safety requirements of the code.